Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving deeper into the world of explainable AI, or XAI, because it's not just about understanding AI, it's about making it work better for all of us. Last time, we talked about what XAI is, but today we're going big with the why. What are the key objectives of XAI? Why does it matter so much? Spoiler alert, it's all about transparency, trust, accountability, and a whole lot more. Let's jump right in. First up, transparency. Imagine you're using an AI app to decide something important, like whether you get a loan or not. You want to know how it works, right? That's what transparency is all about. XAI aims to make the inner workings of AI models crystal clear, not just to the tech wizards who build them, but to users like you and me, and even regulators who keep things fair. It's like opening the hood of a car and showing you the engine instead of saying, "Trust me, it runs." Transparency lets everyone see what's going on under the surface. Now, transparency isn't just for show. It leads us straight to the next big objective, trust. Think about it. Would you trust a friend who makes decisions for you, but never explains why? Probably not. AI is the same way. XAI builds confidence by making sure AI decisions are fair, unbiased, and based on solid reasoning. If an AI says, "This is the best medicine for you," and it can explain why, like, "I looked at your symptoms and thousands of cases like yours," you're way more likely to trust it. Trust is the glue that holds our relationship with AI together. But what happens when things go wrong? That's where accountability comes in, our third objective. AI isn't perfect. It's made by humans, after all. In high-stakes situations like healthcare, finance, or even criminal justice, we need to know who's responsible if the AI messes up. XAI makes that possible by letting us audit its decisions. Picture this. An AI recommends a prison sentence, but XAI shows exactly how it got there. Maybe it weighed past cases or crime data. If something's off, humans can step in, take responsibility, and fix it. Accountability keeps AI in check. Next up, we've got debugging and improvement. This one's a game changer for developers. AI models can be like tricky puzzles. Sometimes they've got errors, biases, or just plain weird quirks. XAI is like a magnifying glass that helps developers zoom in and spot the problems. Maybe the AI is biased because it trained on bad data, or it's missing the mark because of a glitch. By understanding why it's wrong, devs can tweak it, train it better, and make it sharper. XAI doesn't just explain, it helps AI grow. And finally, let's talk about compliance. This one's huge, especially with laws like the GDPR, the General Data Protection Regulation, that kicked in on May 25, 2018. GDPR says if an AI makes a decision about you, like rejecting your job application, you have a right to a meaningful explanation. That's XAI in action. It ensures AI plays by the rules, whether it's for regulators checking fairness or companies proving they're legit. In a world full of laws and standards, XAI keeps AI on the right side of the line. Let's bring this home with a quick example. Imagine an AI in a hospital deciding who gets treatment first. Transparency shows doctors how it prioritizes patients. Trust convinces them it's not playing favorites. Accountability lets them double-check the call. Debugging fixes it if it's unfair. And compliance makes sure it follows health laws. That's XAI doing its thing. 5 objectives, 1 big impact. So why does all this matter? Because AI isn't just tech, it's part of our lives. XAI's objectives, transparency, trust, accountability, debugging, and compliance, make sure it's not some shadowy robot overlord. Instead, it's a tool we can rely on, understand, and even improve. It's about making AI human-friendly, one explanation at a time. That's it for today's deep dive into the key objectives of XAI. What do you think? Does knowing how AI works make you feel better about it? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.